Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are doing an eval pedicure with the gel polish and the design. So first things first is remove the gel polish, the previous gel polish off the toes. I'm personally using a fine ceramic bit. After we've removed all the gel polish, we're going to go ahead and cut down the toenails. I'm using a straight edge nail clipper. I love these. I do not like the curved ones. Yeah, just go ahead and cut those toenails down nice and short. After we get the basic length and shape for our toenails, we're going to go ahead with our hand file and just file our toes into shape. I like to do kind of like, I rounded her toes off quite a bit. Sometimes I do like round, sometimes I do like square with round edges, but I made hers round because I just felt like that was better for her. And it was. She really liked it, so. Now we're gonna go in with my favorite bit. This is called an Enhancement Prep Bit. It's by Coupa. It's basically a medium diamond bit, and this thing, honestly, it just does all the work for you. It etches the nail plate perfectly, not too much, not too little. The top of the bit has a grit as well, so it exfoliates the skin as you're prepping, or as you're prepping the nail. It just does a lot of work in just one step, so I really love this bit. Now we're gonna go on to using kind of this like pointy bit here to just further clean the cuticle area and the sidewalls, just in case the previous bit didn't take off enough or clean up enough. I use this one to get like a nice detailed clean of the nails. When we're all done with that, we're just going to go in with our good old-fashioned cuticle nippers and just cut off all the dead tissue. After that, we're going to go in with the ball bit and exfoliate the skin on the toenails. Coming in with our liquid cuticle remover, just place that on the toes, and this just helps me get every little piece of dead skin off of her nail plate, off of her toes. It helps to kind of like soften the skin as well, so I can get underneath her toes and clean that out really nicely. I love this product so much. I think it's called the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. It's like that milky white liquid. You can get that at pretty much any like nail supply store or even like beauty supply store, but I think this step right here really helps me get that perfectly clean nail that we need for our pedicures. And look how clean these toes are. It's like we don't even need polish. But she wanted polish, so I had to do it. Now we're gonna go in with the base coat. Put on your base coat and then cure for this one. You can cure for 30 seconds. After the base coat is all cured, we're going to go in with our first coat of polish. Coat all the nails, make sure they're nice and the polish is nice and even. There's no polish on the skin, and then we'll cure that as well. Gonna go in with our second coat of polish here. Coat all the nails again like you did in the previous step, and then cure. I'm using a color by D&D. I'm not sure which color it is, but when I remember I will link it so you can look it up if you want. Now that we got our toes all polished, we're going to go in with our top coats. This is going to be the first of 2 top coats we're going to do for this specific design, which is going to be chrome powder. So we will put on our first coat of top coat and then cure. And once that top coat is all cured, we're going to go in with our chrome powder and then just press it, or take some on your finger, or you can use one of those little makeup sponges and then kind of just like press it into the nail, rub it into the nail so you can get the that kind of like cool shimmery effect. And then after you do that on all your nails, you're going to go in with your second and final top coat and then cure. And this is the final result. Her nails are nice and short, they're clean, they have pretty polish on them. We have some cuticle oil on there to moisturize her toes. Very, very pretty. That is it for today. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!